Good afternoon. My name is Vaughn Wyant. I am the president and CEO of the Wyant Group, and we're fortunate enough in our group to own two Porsche dealerships, one in Kelowna, one in Saskatoon. I'm sitting today at the dealership in Saskatoon, and I'm here to introduce the newest addition to our family, and one that we've owned for quite some time, and we finally got it ready, fully restored, and ready for this year's Porsche restoration competition. And it's right here. It's a 1958 356A Porsche. This is a particularly interesting car because I purchased it at an auction in Scottsdale, Arizona, quite a number of years ago. It had been stored in a garage in Florida for at least 25 years. But what's cool about this car is we found it was completely original. Every single part, with very few exceptions on this car, are the original parts that were on the car when we bought it. From the taillights, to the wheels, to the wheel covers, to the front headlights, they've all got numbers stamped on it. Even the rear window on the hardtop is the original rear window that was in the car. It's super cool. And just to show you the value of these cars, it has a toolkit with it. So all these cars came with a toolkit which had a spark plug, it had a tire gauge, it had some screwdrivers, some wrenches, and this has the original toolkit is in the front of this car. Those toolkits can sell for anywhere from $7,000 to $10,000 US just for the toolkit. So we're really proud of this car. When we bought it, it was red, but we've returned it to its original factory color in metallic silver with a red interior, and it's highlighted in the interior with a biscuit colored carpet on the side panels on the floor, and it's unquestionably one of the most original 356As that you'll find. Even restoring the engine, from what we could tell, had never been taken apart. Original camshaft, crankshaft, it hadn't been borne out, the pumps were original. So this car really is truly a survivor from 1958. So I want to pay tribute to the people that put this whole project together. Andrew, Robbie, Wes, and Byron, and of course our marketing department, who really make us look a lot better once we do put this together. But we started this project in October of last year. The restoration project really wasn't underway until the end of January of this year. To build a car like this, it takes more than 6 months. It takes upwards to a year, sometimes even longer. So there's a lot of heart and soul put into making sure that this is not only a great car, but it's a car that would stand up against international competition if it was ever presented. So my personal thanks to everybody that spent hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of hours to make sure that this car is as perfect as it is today.